Oberfed is your reliable partner in the world of sports betting.
Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to create and configure your trading bot for Betfair. Let's start from the very beginning. Step 1. Navigating to the Configure Bot section. To create a bot, first click on the Configure Bot button located in the left panel. This will open the section where you can manage all your bots. Here, you can use pre-made strategy templates or create your own from scratch. Step 2. Creating a new bot. After navigating to the Configure Bot section, click on the Add a New Bot button. This will open a window where you can set the basic parameters for your new bot. Transition to Settings. Now that the bot is created, we can move on to the settings. Let's start with the Bot Details section, where you can define the basic parameters. Right now, we are in the Bot Details section, where you set the basic parameters for your bot. Let's go through each point step by step. 1. Bot name. The first thing you need to do is enter a unique name for your bot. This is important if you plan to use multiple bots simultaneously. The name will help you easily identify each one. Second version. Here, you can see the bot's version. In this case, it's version 2. If updates are released in the future, you'll be able to choose between the new and old versions to use the configurations that work best for you. 3. Start time and stop time. These fields allow you to set the time window during which the bot will be active. For example, you can set the start time and stop time to any preferred time window. Simply enter the desired start and end times in 24-hour format, and the bot will operate within that range. 4. Bot type. Here, you need to choose the type of bot. You have two options. Betting bot. This bot places single bets on the market. Trading bot. This bot closes positions to guarantee profit or minimize losses. Now let's move to the win back section. This is where you can control how the bot manages bets after losses. Essentially, this feature helps the bot use progressive strategies to recover from losing streaks. Let's break it down step by step so you can configure it with confidence. 1. Win back on/off. First up, you'll see the win back toggle. This is where you can turn the feature on or off. When it's on, the bot will use progressive betting to recover losses. If you turn it off, the bot will stick to standard bets without any adjustments. It's a simple but powerful switch. 2. Win-back ratio. Next, we have the win-back ratio. This setting determines how much more the bot will bet to recover previous losses. For example, if you lose $100, a ratio of 4 means the next bet will try to recover $25 in addition to the base bet. 3. Start win-back after X loses. Now let's talk about start win-back after X loses. This is where you decide how many consecutive losses need to happen before the bot starts using the win-back strategy. For instance, if you set this to 3, the bot will only begin progressive betting after the third loss in a row. It's a great way to avoid overreacting to small losing streaks. 4th stop win-back. After X loses. Similarly, the stop win-back after X loses setting lets you define when the bot should stop using the win-back strategy. For example, if you set this to 5, the bot will reset and return to standard bets after the 5th consecutive loss. This helps keep things under control if the losses keep piling up. 5. Max of win-back amount. Here you'll find the max of win-back amount. This is where you can set a cap on how much the bot can recover per bet. It's a safety net to prevent the bot from going too far in its recovery efforts. Think of it as a way to manage risks while still aiming for recovery. 6. Earn on win-back. Next, we have the Earn on win-back option. If you enable this, the bot won't just focus on recovering losses. It will also aim to earn a profit. It's like turning a recovery mission into an opportunity to grow your balance. A nice little bonus, right? 7. Global win-back. Finally, there's the global win-back feature. This is a game changer if you're running multiple bots. When enabled, it allows all your bots to work together, adjusting their stakes collectively to maximize potential returns. It's like having a team of bots working in harmony to boost your profits. Description of the finance section. Now let's move to the finance section, where you can set up financial rules for your bot. This is a crucial step, as it helps you control risks and manage your bankroll effectively. Let's go through each option. First, stop loss. Here, you can set a maximum loss limit. Once this limit is reached, the bot will automatically pause betting until the next day. This helps you avoid significant losses and protect your bankroll. Second, stop profit. In this field, you define a profit goal. When the bot reaches this amount, it will automatically stop for the day. This is a great way to lock in profits and avoid unnecessary risks. Third, bet percentage. Here, you specify the percentage of your balance that the bot will use for each bet. For example, if your bankroll is €1,000 and you set it to 5%, the bot will bet €50 per stake. This allows for flexible bankroll management. Fixed bet amount. If you enable this option, the bot will use a fixed amount for each bet. For example, if enabled, the bot will aim to earn a fixed profit per bet. If no, bot will work with percentage. However, it's important to note that bet percentage and fixed bet amount cannot work together. If you set a value in bet percentage, the fixed bet amount must be set to 0. Conversely, if fixed bet amount is set to a value greater than 0, bet percentage will be automatically disabled. This ensures you can only choose one of the two betting management options. Conclusion. Now you know how to configure the financial rules in the finance section. These settings will help you control risks, manage profits, and protect your bankroll. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and we'll be happy to help. Now we're moving to the market section, where you can configure how the bot selects the right markets for betting. This is a crucial step, as the success of your bets depends on choosing the right markets. Let's go through each option. 1. Sport selection. Here you can choose a sport from the drop-down menu. For example, soccer, tennis, basketball, and others. Select the sport you want the bot to place bets on. 2. In-play market. This option allows you to specify whether the bot should focus only on in-play markets. Real-time betting. You can choose yes or no, depending on your strategy. 3. Market type. Here you can select the market type from the drop-down menu or enter a custom market. For example, this could include markets like win, correct score, over/under 1.5, match odds, and others. If the market you need isn't in the list, you can enter it manually. 4th, minimum matched amount. This field allows you to specify the minimum amount matched on a market for the bot to start placing bets. For example, if you set it to 100, the bot will only work on markets where the matched amount exceeds this number. This helps ensure liquidity. 5. Market start time. Here, you can specify how many minutes before the market starts the bot should begin placing bets. For example, if you set it to 10 minutes, the bot will start working 10 minutes before the event begins. 6. Waiting for result. This option allows you to specify whether the bot should wait for the market results before moving on to the next bets. You can choose yes or no, depending on your strategy. 7. Result. Waiting time. If you've enabled waiting for results, here you can specify how long the bot should wait for the market results. This is useful if you want the bot to wait until the event ends before moving on to the next bets. Conclusion. Now you know how to configure the market section for your bot. These settings will help you choose the right markets, manage liquidity, and control the timing of your bets. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and we'll be happy to help. Now we're moving to the strategy section, where you can define the core strategy for your bot's bets. This is a crucial step, as the bot's decision-making depends on the chosen strategy. Let's go through each option. 1. Selection position. Here you specify the rank of the selection on the market. For example, if you set it to 1, the bot will bet on the favorite. If 2, it will bet on the second favorite, and so on. This helps the bot focus on specific teams or players. 2. Selection name. In this field, you can enter the name of the team, player, or event you want the bot to bet on. This is useful if you want the bot to focus on specific participants. 3. Number of selections. Here, you specify how many participants the bot can bet on simultaneously within a single market. Important. This setting works in conjunction with the selection position. For example, if you set it to 1, the bot will only bet on one selection at a time. If you set 3 in selection position, the bot will bet on the top 3 leaders in the market. 4. Minimum odd. This is the minimum odds at which the bot will place bets. For example, if you set it to 1.2, the bot will ignore all bets with odds lower than this value. 5. Maximum odd. This is the maximum odds at which the bot will place bets. For example, if you set it to 5.0, the bot will not bet on events with odds higher than this value. 6. Back lay spread. Here you can specify the maximum allowed difference between back and lay odds. 7. Bet side. Choose the type of bet, back, betting for, or lay, betting against. For example, if you select back, the bot will bet on the selected team or player to win. 8. Max active markets. This field allows you to specify how many markets the bot can handle simultaneously. For example, if you set it to 1, the bot will not place new bets until the current bets on the specified number of markets are settled. 9. Odds difference for exit. This setting is available only for the trading bot. Here, you specify the odds difference at which the bot will close a bet at a loss. For example, if the odds start moving in an unfavorable direction, the bot will close the bet to minimize losses. 10. Close price difference. This setting is available only for the trading bot. This parameter allows you to specify the odds difference at which the bot will place an opposite bet to lock in profit, regardless of the sports event's outcome. Now you know how to configure the strategy section for your bot. These settings will help you define how the bot places bets, manages risks, and minimizes losses.